Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check all badges you have earned on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Roblox application on my computer. And first of all, we need to go to the inventory. So we can select more option here and then choose inventory. Okay, and in this inventory menu, you'll be able to find all the badges you have earned. You can go to the badges menu, and these are my badges on Roblox. Okay, however, if you want to check the badges of each game, you can open up the game that you want to check. For example, I'm going to check my badges in Grow a Garden game. So I'm going to go to the Grow Garden game, and then we can scroll down until we find the badges menu. Okay, and hold on guys. Alright, and these are my badges from Grow a Garden game. And for example, I'm going to check my badges in Dress and Press. So I'm going to go to the Dress and Press, and then we're going to scroll down and select the badges here. Okay, and these are my badges in Dress and Press. Okay guys, and that's all the way to check all badges you have earned on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!